Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing week. Today I am sharing an honest review of Teddy Blake handbags, specifically on the Ava 9-inch handbag. This is actually my very first Teddy Blake review ever, but I have been a fan of theirs since 2019. That's actually when I got my first handbag from Teddy Blake. This is not a sponsored video, but I actually wrote a blog post review, so if you would like to read that, you can click the link down below. I'll leave it in the description box, but I thought I would create a video version as well, so here we are. Okay, so first things first, I was introduced to Teddy Blake handbags in 2019, almost 3 years ago, and I got the Maya handbag. I actually still have it, so let me show you. Ta-da! This is the one. So I believe this was called the Maya 10-inch, and she's a beauty, isn't she? So I got this in the pink and the blue, and I actually took the blue one, actually I might have taken both of them, to New York Fashion Week. And so New York Fashion Week is always really crazy, really busy. You always have to have a lot of things on you because you more than likely aren't going to go back to the hotel. So it was definitely a good test for the handbag, and it fit everything I needed, and it has worn well over the last almost 3 years. This one has a suede flap and light pink leather, and it's a really great size. It's very ladylike, feminine, and just a really beautiful bag, and it reminds me of the Ava, so you will find that I have a type when it comes to handbags, and I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's talk about Teddy Blake. So you're probably wondering who or what is Teddy Blake, and Teddy Blake is a luxury handbag brand without the luxury prices. That's right, affordable luxury handbags. And you're probably wondering, how in the world is this possible? Teddy Blake actually uses the same process of choosing leather that these traditional luxury brands use. And this is Italian leather. These are made in Italy, by the way. And they also use the same factories that these traditional luxury brands use. You're still getting high quality craftsmanship, product, design, details, and materials. The only difference is that you're not paying for that designer name, that logo, or the signature on the handbag, and that actually saves a ton. You also don't have to worry about a higher price for extravagant marketing campaigns or even putting it into a retail store, because that increases the value as well. You are basically getting the best cost that you possibly can for a high quality luxury item. Now that you're acquainted with Teddy Blake and know a little bit more about the brand, let me share my latest handbag, the Ava 9-inch. I'm gonna unbox this and see what you guys think. So each Teddy Blake handbag comes in a box, and this is like a nice box. It's not, you know, a cheap flimsy box. It's a really nice box, and it also comes in a dust bag. The dust bag has the branding, and it's really, really soft. Shipping was also really fast, and let me share the color. So I went with a beautiful lilac color. I feel like lilac is the color of 2022, and I don't think I have any handbags in this color, so I needed one because I have a very pastel pink, creamy, light neutral wardrobe. So sometimes you just want to have a little bit of fun with your handbag, and the color is just absolutely beautiful. It looks a little brighter on camera than it looks in real life, but oh my gosh, it is the most beautiful pastel lilac shade ever, and just in time for Easter too. So I got the 9-inch version. The Ava bag comes in 6 inches, which is like a mini bag, 11 inches, and 14. So let me show you this one compared to my previous one. So you can see this one is much, much larger than this one, but don't let the size fool you. It is very, very roomy. And this is not my first Ava bag. I actually have two more. I have a pink one and a blue one, which I will show you right now. This is the pink version and this is the light blue version. Both are absolutely beautiful and I will talk more about those in a bit. For now, let's check out my lilac Ava and get a closer peek. So the front has these two little latches and they actually come off. The leather is really soft and just really, really beautiful. And it doesn't have a weird smell or anything like that. I got the gold hardware, but it actually has a silver option as well. And I should mention, there's a lot of colors available. Just for this one with the gold hardware, there are 19 colors. And they also have a Croco version and the silver hardware, so altogether there are 47 options. And that's just for the Ava 9-inch. So I got the 9-inch version because I'm very petite. I'm 4'11", so this is a really good size for me. Larger handbags tend to overwhelm my frame, and so I always stick to a more petite sized handbag, and this is really the perfect size for me, and I think it is so beautiful, so ladylike, so feminine, and the color is so much fun. So back to the details. So you have these little flaps in the front and you can just slide it in there and it actually locks your bag. But you also have a magnetic clasp to keep everything in there. And then you have the branding at the bottom. The branding is not so obvious, which I really love. I love minimal branding. I'm not really a fan of handbags or really anything that just has like logos plastered all over it or like a giant, you know, whatever. It's just not really my style. And I know that a lot of people really do like the logoed items, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but I just prefer more classic, minimal, timeless designs when it comes to my handbags. All right, so now the back. It also has the branding right here and then a zipper pocket. And this is where I usually keep my phone or anything else that I just want to have easy access to. The branding is also right here on this piece, and this is actually where you can latch on the crossbody strap. So inside it has the crossbody and the tag, and the interior is suede and it has two pockets. It has just a regular pocket and another zip pocket. There's a lot of room in there. I can usually fit my phone, lip gloss, keys, wallet, sunglass case, little mini sunscreen, pretty much everything that I need I can fit in here with ease. And sometimes I even take a water bottle with me, like just a normal 16-ounce water bottle, and it'll fit in here no problem. So you have two ways to carry it. You can use the top handle, which I use most of the time, but if I'm out and about, then I will use the crossbody, and the strap just kind of clips on like that. And you can adjust it, of course, and it's in the same leather that the handbag is in. It also comes with this tag, so it's actually a lock and key. You have the branding here on the lock, and then under this little tag, you actually have a set of keys. I really like that it's hidden, and actually I didn't know about the keys for my previous handbags until I just randomly found it one day. And I was like, oh wow, that's really cool. And you just put it in like that, and you have your little lock and key with the tag, and it looks really, really cute. So of course you don't have to have this on, but I think it makes it look a little more interesting and a little more high-end. It also has 4 little gold feet at the bottom, and I love when handbags have that because it just keeps them a little more clean on the bottom, and I think it looks more high-end as well. The stitching is perfect. The quality is incredible. This really is a luxury handbag, and the price can't be beat. It feels so nice, and it's so soft, and I really love the structured look of it. And the other 2 handbags that I showed, the pink and the blue, I've had them for over a year, and the shape has held up really well. They basically look brand new. The pink one in particular, I have worn it pretty much every day for the last year just because it goes with so much. And actually, let me show you those really quick. So this is the exact same handbag in the pink, and this is the one that I use the most out of any handbag that I own. And I've worn it a lot on the blog, but I wear it a lot in real life because the pink is a really pretty peachy color. It's like the same color as my blouse, and it goes with everything. And this is what it looks like after a year. It still looks brand new. There are no issues. The only thing that looks a bit worn is the magnetic closure. There's some scratches on there, but it's not too bad. And even the interior is still in good shape. So I would say that they do last, and the other one that I got, the Maya, has lasted almost 3 years and it still looks amazing. So I think that that's really important with any review. I love doing reviews where I'm sharing my first impressions of everything, but I also think it's really important to share how something does over time to see if it really is a quality item worth investing in. And I would say that these do a really good job of holding up, and they still look really good. All right, so let's put this to the test in terms of storage and see how much can really go in here. So this is my little wallet, and actually I used to have a really big one, like a normal size wallet, but I really only carry a couple of cards and a few things, so I got a smaller one, but the bigger one does fit in here, just so we're clear. So there it goes. And here's my sunglasses with the sunglass holder. Still lots of room in there. Here are my keys. Here's a little sunscreen. Here's my lip gloss. Here's my hand sanitizer. And there's still room in there. I also have a little lemonade. So it like kind of goes in there. But yeah, it fits a lot of stuff, and I could actually put a few more little things in there and be on my way. So I think in terms of storage, if you're not carrying around your whole house, then you'll be fine. I just basically take what I need and that's it. So final thoughts on Teddy Blake and the Ava 9-inch. I really love this handbag. Obviously, I have 3 different colors. I don't know. I really love the classic shape. It reminds me of like vintage old Hollywood, and I really love that style. So I think that is why I'm drawn to this shape with the top handle and the structured design. The color is beautiful, and all of their color choices are incredible. They have so many different ones. I think that they also have a lot of really beautiful design choices. There's a lot of handbags to choose from, just in case this really isn't your style. I think they also have a lot of size options, so if you would like a smaller version or even a much larger version, they have that as well. In terms of quality, you really can't beat it for the price. The design elements, the craftsmanship, the materials, everything is just on par, and would cost way, way more if you were buying from a different brand. But this is definitely a high-end luxury item, and it definitely feels like it and it looks like it. And every time I wear this out in public, which is quite often, I get so many compliments and people coming up to me saying they love the handbag, they love the color, they love the shape, and it honestly makes my day. And I love that it's unique and it doesn't look like everything else out there. It stands out and it's classic and timeless and elegant and feminine and elevated, and it makes your outfit look so put together, and I can't get enough of it. I just love it so much. So I think I'm gonna end here because I seriously could talk about this handbag all day long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I answered any questions you had about Teddy Blake. And if this is your first time hearing about Teddy Blake, then I hope you enjoyed the introduction to an amazing brand. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe as well. It helps out my channel so much. And if you love pink, girly, feminine, frilly things, please make sure to follow my Instagram, Lizzie and Lace, and my blog, lizzieandlace.com. I will see you later. Bye!